Looking for a tasty snack that's actually good for you? These soya cutlets are packed with protein and make the perfect evening bite that's totally satisfying and without the guilt. Let's get started. I'm taking soya granules. Soya comes in two forms, chunks and granules. But for cutlets, granules work better. This has been soaked in water and then thoroughly drained. Make sure there's no excess moisture left. This helps the cutlets hold their shape better. Now in a mixing bowl, add in boiled and mashed potatoes. Add finely chopped onions, chopped green chilies, and fresh chopped ginger. For binding, add some breadcrumbs. A handful of fresh coriander leaves. Salt as per taste, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. For a slight tang, add lemon juice. It's completely optional but highly recommended. Mix everything really well. Take your time here. The mixture should come together nicely and hold its shape. Mixture is ready. Let's shape the cutlets. Take small portions and gently shape them into round shape. Heat oil in a pan. You can either deep fry the cutlets for that perfect golden crunch or shallow fry them if you prefer a lighter version. Place the cutlets gently into the pan and cook until they turn golden brown and crisp. Make sure they are evenly cooked, crispy, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying. Serve them hot with your favorite chutney or ketchup, perfect for tea time or a quick snack. Do give this recipe a try and let us know how it turned out. Until next time, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.